Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I will be showing with you how to make outline text effect in Canva. So let's start with it. So for this example I will be using YouTube thumbnail as my frame, and in elements I will be sharing with you the image which I have used, and I will be using it again for making this example. So this is of portrait of confident businesswoman and it is free to use, and that's why I have chosen this image, because those of you who are using Canva for free and also for pro, both can use this image. Okay, so I will just bring it to the canvas and make sure you are having the rulers here. If you are not having it, just press Ctrl plus R on the keyboard so that you can bring the rulers and just bring the rulers and adjust the main frame or the main character length of the character, so that when you work on the outline, the main character and the second character or the second outline gets in the same length. Okay, so I will just duplicate the image, and for this one I will go to edit photo and click on BG remover or the background remover here. Okay, so as you can see the background is properly removed, and I will click on done here, and as you can see it's properly done. Now let's bring the image to the main frame or the adjust the length. So that's why the rulers are required, as I said you. So now you just crop out the parts which are not required, because it is a remove background image, so we need only the main character. Okay, so this is the whole length, and let's place on the main image which was done before removing the background, and this time we will go to adjust and click on background. Okay, so and in this I will change the brightness so that the outline effect becomes really good. And now for the final one, let's work on the blacks here, so that the work gets completed, the background gets a bit dark, and now I will work on making the image, both the images bigger. So I will click on Ctrl A on the keyboard and make the image bigger. So this one is done. Now let's work on the outline text effect. So for this, let's remove the scales for this, so we don't require it here. We go to text and we click on add a heading, and for this we will be using the font as Open Sans. Okay, the first one we will be using. Okay, and here I will be writing outline. So to make it look better, we'll go to here and we will press on italics, and now we will increase the size according to our requirement. So this size, this maximum size looks good here. You can just work on the size according to your requirement. Okay, so now I will just change the color to white, because the white looks good and it gives a great outline effect on the image. And now I will duplicate it. place it according to the previous layer, and now I will go to FX and click on hollow and make sure the thickness is less than or equal to 5 so that the effect looks proper. Okay, so I will click on 5 and now I will click here and right click and go to layer and click on show layers. So the first layer, which is not hollow, I will bring it just below the background removed character, and the other one will be above the character. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's edit the main character. We'll go to edit photo and we'll go to adjust. We'll keep on whole image because anyway we are working on the main character. So we'll work on brightness a bit, contrast a bit, highlights, and then work on the whites and blacks. Okay. So as you can see, the work is very well done, and now we will click on the background here and go to edit photo and do the same for this foreground. Okay. So we did the same because as you can see it's creating a halo effect here. So we wanted to bring that effect also for this tutorial. So we did this effect. So hope you like this tutorial and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos like this. Thank you.